Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing good. So my name is Saransh Singh and I'm an architect by profession. I keep making such videos on regular basis, so feel free to check out my other playlist also. And guys, in this video I'm gonna show you my portfolio. I'm gonna give you tips for making your portfolio better. And guys, in the final part of this video I'm going to talk about requirements for green architecture and the portfolio requirement for green architecture. So this video will be a really informative video for you all, so try watching this video till the end. And guys, before starting the video, I have a small request to make, that is, many of you are still not subscribing to my channel, and guys, to keep going and to keep making such content, I need your support. So guys, go ahead, show some support and hit that subscribe button. That helps me focus more on making more creative content and dedicated more time towards my YouTube channel. So your support is all I need. Anyways guys, without any delays, let's get started with the video. So guys, this is how my portfolio looks. You have to make sure that you have a good portfolio cover. Even if you are sending it as a PDF, have a cover photo or a cover image for your portfolio. And next, if you want, you can have this page, but if you don't, you can just skip it. So this is my CV page. Try to be more graphic. I have kept the table of content very simple, and here is one of my project that is called Backpackers Retreat. Sorry for the bad print quality, but if you see that on your screen right now, I'm just showing you the entire pure JPEG of everything. So try to have everything minimized into or compressed into one sheet. Don't add a lot of text, but don't be so minimalistic that people can't understand your project. See, I have tagged each and every picture. I have given descriptions and tagged each and everything so that a person will know what is this about. So that is very important. I have shown this town planning or the planning area, like the site analysis thing over here, how the areas are divided into different zones, how I have identified different zones around this area. So this is something that you have to take care of. You have to compress everything and make it more viewable and more presentable. And this is my plan and my isometric section views. So here I have just shown arrows for different views of the areas so that people can relate to the massing of your structure, like how that thing or that area will function or how that area relates to the everything. So this is something what I have done over here. It is pretty basic, but still I have tried to segregate it. See, can you see the lines? So I have kept everything in a grid. Like this is how your eyes will go. So that is exactly what I need over here. I have shown the site plan, I have shown the section, the other section, and then the isometric 3D model. So this is something that you should keep in mind. Don't place everything on your sheet. Just place it in such a way that it looks good. Try to follow grid system. And here is the other plans and the renderings. So this is something which I wasn't in favor of, but one of my professor told me to give this axonometric view, which if you zoom it in the JPEG, it won't be blurry or pixelated, but yeah, obviously on an A4 size paper it won't make sense. And then all the construction detail I have put, all the roof detail, the space framings, the rainwater harvesting, the solar panel calculations and things. That is something that you can include if you are applying for green architecture or something, because these things matter, because you are into that technical zone also. This shows people that okay, he can work on some technical things also. And here is my other project. This was Marine Conservancy. and this project is very close to me, and I wish I could have worked in a better way, but back then my skills weren't that good. So I have all these sections and the site plans and the analysis. This was a very research based project, so I had to research a lot and I had to compress everything into this sheet so that a person will understand what I was willing to do for this project. And here's the design sheet. Okay, how my concept evolved, how I evolved my concept from marine creatures and a sundial shell, and how I formulated into a design. Then going ahead, I have my plans, which I still feel like I could do better in them, but still this is something what I have done over here. This is not my favorite sheet or favorite type of presentation. It still looks a bit messy, but you can still see, like, you know, the relevant informations are there. I have shown arrows to indicate the sections. I have tagged each and every sections properly, and these are the things that matters the most. I have shown like which view belongs to which area. That is also very important, that people should relate to the views that you have made. So that is one of the most important points that you should remember. And these are the technical drawings that I have used, and yeah, like I have even used my projects that I was working for in offices. I can't show you much about these because these are like only for my portfolio. I can't publish it anywhere because these belongs to my previous companies. So these are my working drawings that I have done in my office, and these are the projects that were completed, and I have shown like how they were actually executed on site and how I had made different rendering views of it. So this gives the people like, okay, fine, he has worked professionally also, he has worked academically also. So you have to include both the sides. And guys, don't forget to include your sketches or your extracurricular things, because that shows your personality a lot. And people, and especially professors, they want to know you, who you are as in person, and your portfolio should reflect your identity. So this is something that we started back in India. Like, this were my projects, and so yeah, this is something that I did with one of my very dear brother-like figure and a mentor, Sumit Singh. So we did it together. This project was very close to me, and this project was done entirely into COVID. Everything was locked down and things. We arranged everything and we completed these things. So these are just a work portfolio that I wanted to show and include in my portfolio, that okay, fine, I can do interior designing too. I have on-site work experience too. So this is what I wanted to show. These are my like friends projects, like with which I have done with my friends. So yeah, this was again done with Sumit Singh. So these were the projects that, you know, I was looking forward to, and these are my renderings. So you can, if you have really good rendering skills, you can include some extraordinary rendering, or like which you feel like, you know, is worth presenting or worth showing on in your portfolio. You should present it like this. Make it simple, make it minimalistic, keep it minimalistic, but yeah, show your skills. That is the main agenda of your portfolio. And yeah, if you want, you can include your contact informations too. So this was my entire portfolio. So guys, this was the portfolio that I used to apply for green architecture, and I know this wasn't a very mind-blowing portfolio or something like that, because I have made this portfolio around 2 years back. And yeah, so you can even make a better portfolio than this. Like, I have mentioned few of the links in the description. You can go and refer to those portfolios, and those portfolios will be a really good landmark for you to start building up your portfolio. So that is a very important thing, and all the tips that I have given you throughout the video, just focus on those things. Make your like, you know, portfolio presentable, make it simple, make it clean, make it more understandable. This will be really helpful for you all. And for green architecture, the entry requirement is like 60% and above in your bachelor's of architecture. Then you will be needing your portfolio, then letter of intent and things like that. And I will be making a dedicated video for green architecture, so stay tuned to my channel. And guys, if you like this video and if this video was of any help for you all, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel. I need your support to keep making these videos. And guys, take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.